Hi, I'm Felipe Alvarez, and this is our Legal Operations Chapter 3. Most legal departments today still run on emails and spreadsheets. Every new request, every contract draft, every approval, it all depends on someone remembering to forward something. Sound familiar? That is what I call the firefighting mode of legal operations. You are constantly reacting, chasing updates, replying to the same question, and losing precious time in the noise. But what if the system itself could move things forward? That's what workflow automation does. It turns manual chaos into a structured flow by letting technology handle the repetitive. So your team can focus on strategy. A new request comes in. It's automatically categorized, signed, and tracked. Approvers receive instant notifications. Deadlines are visible to everyone. Reports update in real time. No follow-up emails. No "what is on this" messages. No lost attachments. That's not the future. That's no code automation today. The best part, you don't need to be a developer. Modern no-code platform let legal ops teams design workflows visually, just like drawing a flowchart. Want to route NDAs for approval? Drag, drop, and define the rules. Want to auto-generate a contract and send it for e-signature? Connect the trigger once and it runs forever. In a matter of days, you can go from reactive chaos to predictable flow. That's the kind of operation leverage legal ops was born for. And here's the key insight. Automation doesn't replace judgment, it removes friction. It creates the space for your lawyers and paralegals to do higher value work, analysis, negotiation, risk assessment, instead of tracking where things are stuck. The result? Shorter cycle times, clear accountability, and happier internal clients. So, if your legal team feels like it's always putting out fires, it's time to design for flow. Because once you see how much time automation gives you back, you'll never go back to managing your inbox the old way. In our next episode, we will talk about how to measure all this progress. The key KPIs that prove your legal ops strategy is working. See you soon. Bye bye.